I have been working I finished my MBBS in India, and then I did my neonatal fellowship in Australia. That's for 5 years. And subsequently, I went to UK and have been involved in pediatric intensive care, pediatric cardiac intensive care, pediatric ECMO. And in this entire journey of starting from 1993 onwards, has been only in intensive care and also treating the most vulnerable of patients, which is the newborn babies or children. I personally saw KleenClad, similar to KleenClad, which is an antimicrobial PVC material being used in hospitals in UK, where I was working. And I was always wondering how come that the antibiotic use is so low in the UK as compared to in India. And I thought that one of the main reason was the infection prevention and the cleanliness, which is attributed to the lower use of antibiotics, and also the enhanced outcome of patients after a surgery. And that's something which was happening there. And I was very keen to do something like that in India. This definitely will be very much beneficial now, especially at a time when post-COVID, we are stuck with so many infections. And the infections are getting more virulent. That means that they are getting more powerful, and we're running out of antibiotics. And because we're running out of antibiotics, we start using more and more sort of very strong antibiotics, and the bacteria is getting smarter and more powerful to the stage that there are some very virulent infection especially originating from the ICU, which you cannot treat. The technology behind the product of KleenClad is basically a silver ions which is impregnated within the PVC sheet, and it's not something which is coated on top of it. If something is coated on top of it, it wears away. That's exactly what a paint does. But in this, we have a technology where the silver ions are impregnated during the extrusion process of making the sheet. And that's the most vital part of it. And there are two very important aspects to give the quality of what we are going to be offering. It's a type of silver ion that we are going to be choosing. And our partner for KleenClad is Polygene Biomaster. They're the world leaders in antimicrobial technology, and they use they give their product to big sort of companies like Adidas, to BMW, to Dyson. You name the big players in the world who give you an antimicrobial sort of solution, they always have Polygene Biomaster in them. There are multiple people giving silver ions. It's available in the market. But how good it is, and how durable it is, and how effective it is. These are the three questions which we need to ask before we use it. And KleenClad has chosen Biomaster to be the partner to give this crucial technology, which actually is the core of giving an antimicrobial solution to the sheets that we provide. And once the antimicrobial sheets are cladded on the wall surfaces of critical areas. When I say critical areas, it starts from an operating theater to an ICU to a dialysis unit to a bone marrow transplant centers. These are the areas where it definitely needs a very hygienic space. And when I say in hygienic space, we see the people mopping the floor regularly, but we hardly see anybody wiping the walls. And when there's an infection, or when something happens in the ICU or in the theater, there's a chances of a blood splashing, and some of them falls on the floor, some of them to the wall. And these are the things which we are trying to reduce, because this is something which actively kills the bacteria. It denatures the DNA, and that's the mechanism how it works. In the UK, they have started using this for the last nearly 20 years. And in the NHS, they have started replacing most of the theaters and in areas where they have infection-prone places with some sort of a antimicrobial surface, because they have proven studies having an antimicrobial surface with either silver, zinc or copper is beneficial. It actively reduces. You can have a wall with a paint, you can have a wall with stainless steel, and that doesn't have any antimicrobial properties. But if you have a wall with something which has got an antimicrobial property, which can be a paint or something like KleenClad, which the difference is, if you have, when the wall is cladded with KleenClad, it stays there for minimum 20 years. But with the paint, you got to repaint it every 2 years. Every 2 years is a downtime. It's not just the cost. You just imagine if you need to shut down a theater for 3 days. It's a loss of revenue, loss of the patients not being able to treat. That's in the NHS in the UK. So they have gone through in a way that the theater wall should be durable, purposeful. When I say purposeful, it's antimicrobial, and durable means that they don't need to do anything for at least 20 years. And that is the advantage of how they are using an PVC antimicrobial cladding now in the Western countries, not just the UK. It's being used in Europe widely. In Australia, they've started using quite widely in US as well now. There are, in the UK, for example, there are, to my knowledge, around 26 brands of similar, like what we're giving, 26. In India, probably there are only 3 or 4. The difference is, number one, we look at the partners in terms of manufacturing and everything. Like when you see when you have cladding, it's not just the piece of PVC sheet. It also has got the other components, which are welding, which has got the glue to stick onto the wall. You've got the trims to use to make sure that both the sheets are together. So the entire solution is provided by one company, that's KleenClad. And we have the partners that KleenClad has chosen to deliver each one of them. Like I mentioned about Polygene Biomaster, for example. And where is it made? It's made by one of the best manufacturers in the world, the extrusion of the sheets in Ireland. And it's not made, everything is not made by the single person. KleenClad has chosen the best sort of the person for each component of it. And that's the reason that we stand out compared to the competitors. That is number one. And the second one is KleenClad has been designed, and mostly we want to use it in the developing countries. In the developing countries, it's the Asia Pacific, Middle East, North Africa. And in these countries, we are cost sensitive. We need to use it more effectively, but it should not be a deterrent because it's expensive. And that's where I feel KleenClad is going to make a big difference in terms of the quality without compromising the cost. I think the best feedback that I can think of is from a hospital in South India, place called Trichy, where we had installed this KleenClad a few years ago, and the orthopedic surgeon who uses a theater, he refuses to operate in any other hospital, especially for a knee or hip replacement, except in the hospital where we have installed this for him. And that I think I take it as a very, very strong, good feedback in terms of the person who has used it, who has seen the benefit, and who obviously a doctor will want their patients to have a good outcome. And only if they give a good outcome, they will become, more patients will come back to them. And this is the best reference that I've had. Yeah, we are manufacturing the entire system in the UK. There are the KleenClad PVC sheets, the trims, the weld, the glue. Every component is currently being manufactured in the UK. It's licensed there, and the technology is there in the UK. But we are spending a lot of money in way of shipping costs, the customs duty and everything. But still, we are able to help Indian hospitals to use it. But then we want to make it more affordable for hospitals in India, right across India. It doesn't have to be a corporate hospital. It doesn't have to be something where they treat patients and the patients pay very high sort of a cost and the hospital can afford it. And this is something which we want to start manufacturing in India, and we are in the process of doing it. And probably once we have the manufacturing base in India, we should be able to make it more affordable than what it is right now. So, and the concept is to have this product to be from factory to wall. There's nobody in between. We manufacture it and it's cladded onto the hospital walls so that we reduce any amount of sort of extra commission or any sort of wastages in between. And the benefit should be in such a way that we increase the volume and increase number of hospitals who are able to use KleenClad.